Hi everybody, I hope you guys are doing good, and after a long time I'm back again with another video. Today's video is especially for those people those are going through pain and troubles in your life right now and you don't know what should you do. Then I want to take out some of the things that I have done it and what I try to do it every day, though it's a huge struggle, yet I try to do it. And I want to share these things with you so that you'll be blessed out of it, you'll be encouraged and motivated, and as well I just want you to know that you're not alone, and there's somebody out there who's going through the same kind of pain that you're going through or who has gone through it. And it's not the end of the world, it's gonna pass. There's gonna be a day after a night, the sun is gonna rise after every sunset. So hold on there and then stay strong. So I think especially when problems or any kind of pain comes in our life, the first thing that we do is we look to God and when we say, Kina mosanga, why only me? I've been nice to people, I've been nice to you, I've been praying like morning and night, but still Kina moisanga gako when a question now, why only me? Then I think that answer doesn't come straight away. God never answers you straight away. I think the answers will be somewhere hidden in the future, and you'll get to know it once you reach that point. When you look back and then you see like, oh, at that point I was going through so much problem in my life, so much pain in my life, and now I know why it happened. I think it was necessary for me. Yeah, I think that has what happened in my life as well. When I look back now and all the pain and the problem that I see in my life, at that time maybe I've questioned God, but then now I look back and then I say to God like, thank you God that it happened, because I know we are God's chosen people, and then whatever happens in our life, it's always for a reason. There's always something good hidden there, because in the book of Jeremiah it says, Jeremiah 29:11, it says like God has plans for us, plans to prosper us, not to harm us, to give us a hope and a future. So the problems and sufferings might come on our way, but it's part of life. Maybe there's something that we have to learn, we have to grow, and that's why it's coming out there. So if you're going through the same kind of problems in your life, the first point that I did, or what I am trying to do, or I try to do, is like accepting it and owning it. A lot of time we try to distract ourselves, or we try to ignore or avoid the topic or the problem itself, thinking that it will just pass away, or let me just distract my mind. But that doesn't help, because there's a reason behind why it's happening to us. So if we don't accept it and own it, then we are never going to learn out of it, we are never going to grow out of it, we are just going to go out of it, right? So we need to grow now from the problems that we have in our life. So we need to accept it and we need to own it. The second thing that you must, what I try to do, and you can do it, is surrendering everything to God. Like a lot of time we try to solve problems from our own strength, from our own mind and our own plans, and as much as how we can do it, we try to do that. But in the Bible it says, you cannot add even 1 hour in your life. So we can't do anything, we don't have control over life. This is just life. So that is why just surrender everything to God and say like, God, yes, I'm in pain, I'm going through this, and it's so much difficult for me. I cannot eat, I cannot sleep, I keep worrying, but I am surrendering this to you, so that I want you to take control of this, solve this, because I know you are my father in heaven, and you're going to solve this for me, because I'm your daughter or I'm your son, and you are going to do this for me. So just surrender everything to God. The third thing is, after you have done all of this, you will realize that God will start acting on your behalf. And after that, when you go through the problems, you'll grow through it, you'll learn things, and you should start flaunting it. Flaunting it doesn't mean that going and doing a show off of what here has happened, but it's about being relatable to people, to helping other person, those who might be going through the same thing, just helping them out, encouraging, spreading the happiness, motivating each other, and just being there for them, understanding the pain, and helping them realize that they can do it as well, because we have done it, you have done it. The next thing is, don't keep any grudges against anyone. There might be problems within friends, within family. Don't keep grudges, because grudges, it's just gonna hold you down. It's never gonna let you grow, even if you don't feel the pain anymore after a period of time. But if you keep on holding grudges, it's just not gonna help you. So just don't keep any grudges. Forgive. And which brings me to the next point, that is letting go. Letting go is very, very difficult, especially if somebody has really hurt you and disappointed you. It's very difficult to let go of that feeling, of that person in our life. But trust me, letting go can be very liberating as well. It will make you feel so much lighter and better. So just let go of them. And the last thing is, whenever there's a pain and sufferings in your life, don't let that pain go in vain. I was listening to a sermon where the pastor says that don't waste your pain, and I realized, like, oh yeah, because there's so many artwork or music or anything, so many things like that. If you go online and then check, like, so many entrepreneurs have started their ventures when they were going through pain, and those ideas came out so brilliantly because they're so high on emotions. And that is why don't let your pain go in vain. You never know, maybe your next piece of art might make you so famous, right? So don't let your pain go in vain. Use it for something good, and let the other people be so encouraged to see that and be blessed out of it. So just know that if you're going through any pain or problems in your life and you feel like, no, I can't do this, then just know that you're not alone. There are lots of people like me who are going through the same pain, or who have gone through the same pain, and it's not the end of the world. Life will go on, and you will forget those pain. You will heal, you will recover. It's a matter of time. Surrender to God, focus on Him, and remember Jeremiah 29:11. God has plans for you specifically. So I hope this video was helpful to you guys in some way. If you want to talk to me, if you have any problems that you want to share with me, if you want me to pray for you, feel free to message me, and then I'll pray for you. You guys can pray for me as well, and I hope you guys stay safe. Take care. Bye.